Dan Deming at KKM Financial joins us now as we start a fresh trading week ahead, and it is a Fed week, Dan.
Yeah, big Fed meeting highlighting the week, Angie, and several other things to contend with as well, as we have several data points coming out, which is highlighted by the unemployment report at the end of the week, and earnings continue to roll out as well.
Dan, Apple and Amazon had those big misses. How is that playing out in the market?
Well, you're seeing a lot of volatility, Angie, in those single list names. But when you look at the market as a whole, you're really not seeing that much volatility. So it's an interesting dynamic right now as we're seeing some one-offs, with some big misses. But we're seeing the overall trend within the earnings cycle pretty positive as the markets continue to hold up. So I think it's a unique kind of environment this cycle. I think, the market's going to be focused on some other things moving forward, particularly how the Fed is going to handle this message moving forward and the delineation between tapering and potential rate hikes. And so I think that's a bigger focus for the market as we move through this week.
Dan, are you surprised how well the market performed in September and October?
A little bit, but not honestly, Angie, not really, because if you go back over the last month or so, as we've been talking, September historically is not a particularly positive month for the market when you look at it from a 60-year perspective. October typically is a pretty decent month. As we move into these last couple of months, the trends usually shift, and I think that's what we're seeing play out this year. So I guess I wouldn't say no, that the Fed has been fairly accommodative in its message so far. We're seeing a few dynamics within the tech sector that are a little bit disruptive, but overall, the general trends continue to be very positive. And in this low interest rate environment, I think, we're seeing, again, that play out in the equity markets.
Well, thank you very much for your Trader Talk today, Dan.
All right. Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.